Hello students, welcome to Detail Chronicles by Abhiram IAS Academy. So, ee roju Detail Chronicles lo bhaganga we are discussing an important topic for the exam, that is removal of an High Court judge. Clear? So, ee topic enduku undi ante in further there are parliamentary monsoon budget sessions. Parliamentary monsoon budget sessions, and ee monsoon session lo the most important thing like they are waiting for us removal of Yashwant Verma. Removal of Yashwant Verma. Who is this Yashwant Verma? Removal of Yashwant Verma. Yashwant Verma evaru ante recent ga veella illu kalipoyinappudu they found the officers has been found the burnt currency. And ee burnt currency dorkadam valla he is now accused as the corrupted. Clear? So idi tana issue. Now ఇప్పుడు if this is passing in the parliament, already 6 times ఈ removal of high court judge అనే టాపిక్ వచ్చింది పార్లమెంట్ లో, and 6 times it was disapproved. అది కొట్టేయడం జరిగింది. బట్ నౌ if this is passing, and this will become the historic movement in India, that is first time an high court judge or a judge is being removed from his position. Clear? మరి ఇప్పుడు ప్రాసెస్ ఏంటి, రిమూవల్ ప్రాసెస్ ఏంటి అనేది క్లియర్ గా చూద్దాం ఇన్ డీటెయిల్ గా. సో if it is coming for removal, then only remember that only president can remove the judge. No other person cannot remove the judges. Clear? Gurtu pettukondi, only president can remove. Mari further president remove chestaru, okay, దీనికంటే ఒక ప్రాసెస్ ఉంటుంది. డైరెక్ట్ గా రిమూవ్ చేస్తారా? No, there is a certain process which has to be passed by both the Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. So దీని ప్రాసెస్ ఏంటి అంటే రాజ్యసభ నుంచి 50 మెంబర్స్ సిగ్నేచర్ చేయాలి, అంటే 50 మెంబర్స్ ఒప్పుకోవాలి దట్ ఎస్ ఐ ఆమ్ సపోర్టింగ్ దిస్ కన్వెన్షన్ అని. ఫర్దర్ లోక్సభ నుంచి 100 మెంబర్స్ హ్యాస్ టు సైన్ దిస్. దెన్ సి ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ రిమూవింగ్, వీళ్ళు ఒప్పుకుంటే రిమూవ్ అవుతుందని కాదు, ప్రాసెస్ అనేది ఇనిషియేట్ అవుతుంది. రాజ్యసభ నుంచి 15 మెంబర్స్ ఒప్పుకోవాలి, లోక్సభ నుంచి 100 మెంబర్స్ ఒప్పుకుంటే దెన్ ద ఇనిషియేషన్ ప్రాసెస్ will be done. సో ఇక్కడ ఇనిషియేషన్ ప్రాసెస్ అయిపోయిందా, నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ ఏంటి అంటే స్పెషల్ మెజారిటీ కూడా అప్రూవల్ అవ్వాలి. సో నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ ఇస్ స్పెషల్ మెజారిటీ ఇన్ ది పార్లమెంట్. మరి ఈ స్పెషల్ మెజారిటీలో టర్మ్స్ ఏంటి అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఉన్న టోటల్ స్ట్రెంత్ ఆఫ్ ది పార్లమెంట్ లో హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ ది మెంబర్స్, అట్లీస్ట్ 50% మెంబర్స్ షుడ్ బి ప్రెసెంట్. 50% members should be present, and tarvata 2/3 of the member present should be voted. Clear? 2/3 of members present should be voted. So idi special majority. Third, special majority this అయిపోతుందా లేదు. Third step ఏంటి అంటే if this special majority is passed, then there will be a committee established. ఈ కమిటీలో ఎవరు ఉంటారు? 3 eminent persons ఉంటారు. 3 eminent persons. ఈ 3 eminent persons ఎవరు అంటే like one person is the judge of the Supreme Court, and other person is the chief justice of that respective state, and further third is the eminent jurist who is having an immense knowledge about this thing. Clear? Eminent jurist who is having immense knowledge about this particular thing. Done? So idi process. First initiation jaragali ante signatures from Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. Rajya Sabha lo 50 members sign cheyali, Lok Sabha lo 100 members sign cheyali. Then further tarvata enti, if that process, that initiation is accepted, then next పార్లమెంట్ లో స్పెషల్ మెజారిటీతో అది పాస్ అవ్వాలి. స్పెషల్ మెజారిటీ కండిషన్స్ ఏంటి? ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ ఇస్ 50% ఆఫ్ ద పార్లమెంట్ మెంబర్స్ షుడ్ బి ప్రెసెంట్, అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇస్ అండ్ 2/3 ఆఫ్ ది మెంబర్స్ ప్రెసెంట్ షుడ్ బి ఓటింగ్. క్లియర్? అది స్పెషల్ మెజారిటీ. స్పెషల్ మెజారిటీ పాస్ అయిన తర్వాత ఒక కమిటీ అనేది ఎస్టాబ్లిష్ చేస్తారు, వేర్ 3 eminent persons, that is one is judge of Supreme Court and other is chief justice of that respective high court, and further third person is an eminent jurist who is having immense knowledge with respect to these things. Taravata If yes, committee also approves he is guilt annappudu, then it will go to the president. It will go to the president. Then president will take that case into consideration and she will remove the judge. High Court judge aina, Supreme Court judge aina. Clear? Let's see once in detail. It is structure. So the news enti ante center to gather support to remove Justice Verma. That is initiation process. Where with monsoon session of parliament scheduled from July 21, ఈ month July 21st నుంచి start అవుతుంది. So motion seeking removal of Allahabad High Court judge, that is Justice Yashwant Verma, over discovery of burned currency notes at his official residence. ఇది news. So removal of judges ఎలా జరుగుతుంది? ఆర్టికల్ అంటే ఏ ఆర్టికల్ సపోర్ట్ చేస్తున్నాయి దీనికి? ఆర్టికల్ 121 అండ్ ఆర్టికల్ 218. So article 124 clause 4, it is telling that applies to both Supreme Court and High Court judges. It lays down the process of removal. So process of removal ఏ article support చేస్తుంది? Article 124 clause 4. And further article 124 clause 5, it is telling that Parliament may make laws to regulate the procedure for the investigation and proof of misbehavior or incapacity. Clear? These are the constitutional provisions which are mentioned in the constitution. So article 124 clause 4, article 124 clause 5. And now article 217 clause 1 of clause B, it is telling that a judge of a high court, a judge of a high court can be removed by the president, can be removed by the president on two grounds. One is if he is proved misbehavior or he is proved incapacity. Now Yashwant Verma is being removed on the thing of misbehavior. Clear? So grounds for removal enti two grounds ante, that is misbehavior and incapacity. Now who has the authority to remove? President of India has the authority to remove. And President of India has the authority to remove by the parliamentary approval. Parliament anedi approve cheyali. So parliamentary resolution requirements, it must be passed by both the houses, that is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. It requires two majorities, that is majority of the total membership of the house, and the special majority, that is 2/3 of the members present and voting. Further, if we see the grounds of removal, it is nowhere, the definition is nowhere mentioned in the constitution. So proven misbehavior అనేది constitution లో define చేశారా? No, it is not defined. So not defined in the constitutions, but SC అంటే Supreme Court interruption ప్రకారం proven misbehavior అంటే willful misconduct, corruption, where Yashwant Verma is being charged with respect to the corruption, lack of integrity and moralness, that is ethics. ఇంకొకటి ఏంటి? ఇన్కెపాసిటీ. మరి సుప్రీం కోర్ట్ ఇన్కెపాసిటీని ఎలా డిఫైన్ చేసింది అంటే physical or mental conditions affecting the judicial functioning. These two are the things by what a judge can be removed. That is misbehavior and incapacity, but nowhere in the constitution it is mentioned. It is not defined in the constitution, remember. So proceedings enti ante it requires signature from 50 members of Rajya Sabha, 100 members of Lok Sabha. Further, if this is done, then like speaker will tell, yes, you can form the committee. Clear? So speaker or chairman consults and decides on the admission. Tarvata ee committee lo evarevaru untaru ante, if it is admitted, 3-member committees form, 2 judges, okaru high court nunchi, okaru supreme court nunchi, and 1 eminent jurist. Further, ee committee em chestundante, it proves guilty or it doesn't prove guilty. If it is proving guilty, then further it will go to the president. Clear? So tarvata president will take the opinion of the parliament, where the parliament should okay ante parliament lo okay cheyali ante special majority tho approve avvali, where both the houses must pass the motion with majority of total voting and 2/3 of the members present and voting. Ee 2 conditions. Tarvata it will go to the president. Clear? So at last president has to decide whether he can be removed, that is he is guilty or not guilty. If he is found guilty, Now, Yashwant Verma, if he is found guilty, this will become the historic moment in India where first time a removal of judges is being taken place. Clear? So, idi detailed chronicle with respect to removal of High Court judges, and this is very much important with respect to your GS2 paper. Clear? So, paper lo the process is very much clear. Okasari paper chadavandi, and with respect to this video, you will understand in detail the process. Clear? So, thank you. Have a nice day.